Good afternoon. My name is Christian Screen, and today I'm going to be talking about team norms. Um, I know that we were asked to observe a meeting at work, and I know that we could watch a video as well if we weren't able to observe a team meeting. Well, I haven't been at work in a while due to my husband's medical issues, but I can tell you about quite a few times that we have had team huddles. Normally, we have team huddles every other day at work. I work in centralized lending, so we do like loan applications, anything like that, dealing with loans. So typically, our meetings start at 8 o'clock sharp. You're expected to arrive on time. Usually, though, we have a few stragglers that don't arrive on time, and nothing is really done about it. Um, what is supposed to happen is each member of the team is supposed to choose a day and they're supposed to present on a certain topic for the huddle. During the huddle, what you will have is you're going to have your manager, the assistant manager, the agents. Sometimes there are the assistant vice president and the chief lending officer that will just kind of pop into the huddle. Or they may lead the huddle because there's a special promotion going on that they want to talk to us about. Um, Typically, everybody is expected to participate, and if there is a situation where we need to vote on anything, everybody is expected to cast their vote. It is, like I said, 100% participation. You are expected to vote if there is something to vote on. But if you don't vote, it's really no biggie. You're not going to get in trouble for it. We do not interrupt each other when one of us is talking, just because we have that respect for each other and we have a good rapport with one another. I wouldn't necessarily change a whole lot with the way that we do our huddle. One thing that I will say is that arriving on time, being punctual, that's the one thing that kind of really grinds my gears. So if we were to change anything, that I would change that, because I think it's rude to show up to a meeting late, especially when you've already been given a forewarning about being on time and you know in advance what time the huddle starts. But other than that, I wouldn't change anything with the way that we do things, because it does work. It gives us a chance to really get to know each other better. It gives us a chance to discuss our thoughts, our opinions. We can share interesting information. We can also share valuable information. And so that's pretty much it. That's all I have to say about discussing like team norms throughout our typical huddles. Thank you.